Hello, my name is Tushar and I am from Solan, Himachal Pradesh. I completed my 10th from Dhyanand Adarsh Vidyalaya, Solan, and I came to know about Lakshay from my school teachers, and I joined Lakshay in the beginning of plus one. And I also attended the NTSC camp and the winter camp of Lakshay, and after attending those camps, I was very much impressed by the environment and the cooperative behavior of all the teachers and the other faculty members of Lakshay Institute. So I decided to join Lakshay Institute, and for this my parents also supported me a lot. And after joining Lakshay, it had been 7 months being part of Lakshay, and I am very much impressed till now, and I decided to do many things in life being part of Lakshay. The best part of Lakshay is RoboMeet. RoboMeet made me easier to learn and also to clear my doubts. After getting many much clear doubts from RoboMeet, I can also even take doubts from the teachers in doubt slots. Lakshay provide doubt slot session, which is very much good in the Lakshay, and in this only 5 students are allowed, which make very much comfortably and easily to attain or take the doubts from the teachers. Teachers here are guiding me like parents. They are supporting me completely, and I also want to tell you about the result of Lakshay, that it has achieved AIR 1 in JEE Advanced in 2017 and also achieved AIR 1 in AIMS in 2018, and it is very much impressive that they have continuously given result. And I wanted to guide students to join Lakshay Institute, as here the environment here is very much competitive, which make the student to do more and more hard work and to attain good rank in the exams which had been there. And I also get so much competition from other students, and I also wanted to get very well rank in the competitive exam which had been held by Lakshay every Sunday.